I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to learn how to make bread in a bread machine. There are really two different types of machines that you will find on the market, and both of these will cover both. And you need to look at your own instructions and see what your bread machine requires. They either require liquids on bottom or dry on bottom. This one requires liquids on bottom and all dry ingredients on top. And I guess that's because of the way the paddle attachment is, so that it mixes it all up properly. This one requires dry on bottom. This one has a yeast dispenser on top. Other than that, both of these machines are both the same. They both come out with the same product. This one was really cheap. This one was really expensive. I like the cheaper one better. My favorite thing to do in this is to make dough. I make dough for my yeast rolls, pizza dough, pasta dough, any kind of dough you can think of. Cinnamon roll dough, any kind of dough. It also does all these different settings, whole wheat, nut bread, any kind of bread you want, you can make it in these machines. And it's all you do is put your ingredients in and shut it, turn it on, and when it beeps, you come back and you either have dough or a fully made bread.